What makes the biggest impression on any admissions committee is a willingness to be open, honest, and vulnerable. You don't have to have everything figured out in life, but it's great if you can show you're a thinking, feeling, questioning person. When students ask for advice, everybody talks about story, but I think you should be thinking about message. The most important thing you want your reader to know about you, what you've learned from your experiences or your background, and why it matters. The best essay topic I've ever read is any one that dives into a really specific world. I've had students write about playing in a fantasy football league, directing a play at school, taking a midnight swim in a lake. What's important is that you remember, in addition to an interesting story, you have to have something important to say about what the experience taught you and how it changed you. When you're ready to get started, make a list of 5 words that best describe you on your best day. As you start to look for essay ideas, make sure the story you choose illustrates some of these most important qualities. The biggest mistake a student can make is to not include conflict and struggle. Struggle is what makes a story feel alive and suspenseful and intriguing. It's what stretches you to grow and change. So when you write your story, include your triumphs and your struggles. It will make the reader root for you.